Hi there, my name's Eric and I'm here with a late 2011 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's got the quad-core i7 2.2 GHz processor in it. I've upgraded the RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB, and I've also upgraded the hard disk to a 250 GB SSD. That's the Samsung 840 series. So I'm just going to quickly show you how fast it now boots up. So I press the power button. For those of you who have this model, you'll know straight away just how quickly this is loading compared to how yours is loading if you still have the original spec. There you go, so that's fully loaded now. There's nothing still loading in the background, that's all completely loaded. And I'll just show you how quickly it is to open programs. So we've got Safari there, very nippy apart from my slow internet speed living in the Lake District. You can also use Windows 8, I've got that running in Parallels Desktop. Also very quick to load, probably faster than some people's actual Windows 8 machines, dare I say so. There we go, Windows 8 running alongside Mountain Lion. So you can see it's very quick, it's very nippy. Loading pages was something I noticed in particular when I had the old hardware. Loading pages was it's just too slow, you know. It took a while to load these things, and there we go, I'm already in there typing away. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and if you're considering getting an SSD drive, I'd definitely look into it first, look into what sort of size you want, because they are still fairly expensive. The 250 GB Samsung one is about £160 on average. That's in retail stores like PC World. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe and watch some of my other videos. Thank you.